Posting that, Brad. I'm posting that.
That's it. I don't know more.
It's like little Munya.
Ruben.
That's it.
Jamie.
Huh? Hi.
What she says.
Yeah,
She just had a hip surgery.
Yeah?
Still an injury from residential school, and one of the ministers kicked her in the hip and broke her bones when she was a little girl.
Damn.
Goodness.
you know what he did to me too one time? He was trapping me. Then he told me, take your shoes off, take your socks off, and your leotards, and your sweater too, and your dress. There I'm standing there with just my slip-on and my underwear. And then he takes his big belt out, a leather one. Why did he ever? He almost killed me. I don't know if he would have stopped. But there was this woman, a Mennonite woman, she screamed at him and said, "Claire, that's enough! That's enough!" she said. And then of course, he yanked me over to her real rough way,
Yeah.
So
Crazy.
he let bullying going on there too. Bullying. You know what? There was this an older guy. I was only like 14. He's already 18, and he allowed that to happen. He was just making fun of me, and he's just standing there and having a good time. And I wanted to hit that guy so bad, but I couldn't. Because if I did, I didn't want to get whipped again like the way he whipped me. He almost killed me. That's what happened to me. And then on account of that, with all the low esteem he gave me about myself, and he even called me a dog. And then, as a result of it, I feel this happening to me, I feel that was the result of the suicide of my son. I lost my son in 2000. I think that's the most bad thing the government has ever done to me. I blame them for the death of my son.
Yeah.
And you know what? And he'd be sitting on a table like this. Oh, dear God, bless our foot. We just about to... Just look a little bit. I just one time was going like this, Then I peeped a little bit. Oh, boy, did I ever get up. Mean slap. It just burns. That's how hard he slaps you. And I know who he is. And then my dad died about 3 years in July. He died to slap his face at the phone. I got mad and I punched him in the face. I told him he shouldn't show up here. We asked you not to come. But he showed up anyway. I don't know why. I think he just wanted to see me suffer over him tonight. I think that's what he knew, because he couldn't care less about my dad. He never cared about me. Oh, he was terrible. Very terrible person.
They call us godless.
They're the ones they're the heathens
They want to destroy
themselves.
us. Destroy, what do you mean?